Hey, dear students, this is the last period I'm going to cover from unit number 3, free time activities, and it is something important, so I made a lesson about it. It is about short and full forms, and we also have possessive forms in the plurals and singulars. So I'll be covering 3 activities. Here in question number 1, we are going to learn some short forms. In question number 2, we are going to write down the full forms. And in question number 3, possessive forms we are going to write. Let's begin. See, when we talk about short forms, we make the words shorter. I am will be changed into I'm. I'm not. See? The short form. You have already taken them in your previous lessons. I know that it would not be difficult for you to understand the short forms. They are also called contractions. See? The same thing, we can see them here. I am, can't, aren't, his, I would, I had, and I would has the same short form. Yes, here see, she would. I had and she would have the same short form. Haven't, could have, I have. So these are plenty contractions which you can use them in your writing. Here, activity number 1, write the short forms. They are all in the emails on pages 32-33. It is, what is the short form? Should not, we are, you would, I am, cannot. You can easily write them. Just check them. It is, it's, shouldn't, were, you would, I am, can't. So very, very simple. It's, shouldn't, were, you would, you'd, I'm, can't. Here we are supposed to note down the full form with the full forms. For the full forms, you have to focus on the verb which is following the short form. See, Mark's running. So is it Mark is or Mark has? Mark is, present continuous. But look at number 2. Mark's just scored. So Mark is, no, Mark has just scored. Now I'd never tried. Is it I had or I would? Look at the verb. It is in the past participle. Of course, it would be I had, past perfect. Focus on number 4. I would love to buy one, but they are expensive. I had or I would. I would, because the verb is in the present. So we have to focus on the verb. Whenever we are writing the full forms, we have to focus on the following verb. Is it in the present or past? And the helping verb would be changed accordingly. Now possessive forms. Possessive forms, you have already taken them as well. It shows that what a person has. For example, see, Alex's car, Miguel's pet. So these are all possessive forms. You can read them. Here we have a key point. If the plural ends in s, just add an apostrophe. If the plural does not end in s, add an apostrophe and an s. What is it? See, for example, we have the boy's jacket. It does not end with s, so we put apostrophe and s. My parents' car. So you put it single after t apostrophe and then s. But if we have 2 boys' jackets, so we will just add an apostrophe after s. If the car belongs to my mom and dad, not only my dad or my mom, no, both. So my parents, and in the end you will add what? Apostrophe. My boss hat and my boss's hats. Women's dress, women. It's not ending with s. We made it as it was before. Children's toy, passerby's glances. So only you have to focus that if the word ends, if the noun ends with s, you just have to add apostrophe. Now pause the video here and solve this exercise. Write the sentences, put the correct possessive forms at the end. The boy's bike, if the boy is only one. But when we have more than one boy, that would be boys, right? How to show that these bikes are for the boys? We will add apostrophe only here, okay? The two children's bikes, there is no s, so we added apostrophe with s. This is Michiko flower arrangement. Michiko's flower. Our children quartz. Our children's quartz. Lucy's brother name is Mark. Lucy's brother's name. Larry parents' names are John and Susan. Now focus, my dear students. Larry parents. Larry's, right? And parents, it is plural. So we will not add another s. We will just add apostrophe here. Names are John and Susan, because parents is already having s. It is already plural. See? So we did not add s here. We just add what? An apostrophe. See? Larry's parents' names. No s here. Why? Because it's already ending with their s. Hopefully you understood today's short lesson. Stay home, stay safe. Good luck.